Hey everyone, Joe at Legacy, and we are in a brand new 2027 Expedition Platinum Max. But what I'm going to show you is going to work for pretty much any make and model here at the Ford lineup. We're going to retrieve our factory door code. So the keyless entry on the side of the door. I'm going to show you guys how to get the factory code. So as long as you've got two keys, you'll notice on here on this Expedition, all of the vehicles have kind of a secret spot that you're going to use to place the key. Go through these simple steps and we'll get the factory door code. So step one, take your key, set it in the slot. You're gonna press the accessory power. Do not start the ignition, but just accessory power, and you turn it off. Put the next key in the same spot. Also hit accessory power. And then if we did it right, it should show our factory door code right there. And that's how you get your factory door code. You can always change the code, but this one always works. So you can add 2 additional codes, but this factory code will always work. Check us out at legacyfordtx.com.